Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins and we are back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Please make sure you hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and make sure you stay notified by hitting that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. All right, so hella late on this unboxing, but it doesn't matter. So let's get right into it. We got a box from the good people at Nike, Jordan brand. I've been sitting on shoes, bro. I've been active, man. I've been getting my hustle on. I've been grinding out here. Recently quit my job, so I've been out here grinding, figuring out different ways of bringing income in. And so that's kind of why I haven't dropped a video in the last 7 days, but I just recorded a video prior to this, and now we're gonna get this video off. Shout out to, what did I say, Nike? We got a Jordan 12 Low Golf in my size 10, size 11 and a half. Let's get into the box, man. Comes with a Nike golf card. Can you see? Nike golf card. Brown paper. The box is your regular general release Jordan box. Brown paper. And wow. Now I almost hesitated on getting this shoe because I just bought the Royalty 12s, and I don't really like having more than one of the same exact shoe. I really don't like that normally, but wow. I'm happy I took the time to grab these up because I really am about to start golfing, and you know, I like to be fresh, bruh. I like to be fresh, so check it out. Bam! That Jordan Low 12. Let's go around it. Side panels. Looks like a regular Jordan Low, or looks like a regular Jordan 12, right? Clean. You got the gold. You got black like the original. It's a very, very simple plain shoe. Red 23 in the back. Man, am I coming in clear? Okay, here we go. Red 23 in the back with the gold and the red Jumpman. Like I said, this is a low top. This is a low top. This will look super clean out there. I ain't gonna lie. With some nice little slacks on, these would be super duper clean. Now let's look at the bottom of the shoe. I don't know if this is real carbon fiber or not, but as you can see on the bottom of the shoe, it's very, very shiny. You got your spiked cleats at the bottom. It's a very clean shoe. If you look at the toe, very, very shiny. Very, very hard and very shiny. Not like your typical Jordan 12. It'd be more of a foam like it is right here. But even this foam right here is a lot more durable and a lot more solid than your regular foam on a Jordan 12. These are clean, man. I'm super happy to get my hands on these, man. Like I said, man, I got another pair of golf shoes coming too, so you guys stay tuned to the channel, man. But as far as this pickup goes, I am happy, man. I am super duper happy to get these in hand. Can't wait to try these out on the golf course. It doesn't look like they come with any spare laces or anything like that. Obviously, when you come down the tongue, it says 2-3 printed, just like, you know, your regular 12. And when you when you look on the inside of the shoe, it has a Jordan Jumpman and it says golf. Something different, man. Something different for the collection, man. Something different for the collection. I can't wait to throw these on feet, man. Can't wait to put these on actual grass and just see what the difference is. What's the difference between the tennis shoe Jordan 1 Low and the difference between the spikes? How much do the spikes really help? Do they help or do they hinder? Those are things I'm gonna come and try to figure out in the coming weeks. But yes, I am super duper happy with this pickup. But we'll do a quick on foot. So now this is a unboxing plus on foot. So you guys, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I appreciate you guys for tapping in with me. Let's go see what these look like on feet. Peace. All right, guys, so look, shoe fits true to size 10, feels great on foot. Let me take it off real quick. Feels great on foot. I don't know why I'm so surprised at the comfortability in these golf shoes, but every single pair of golf shoes that I have tried on has been comfortable as hell. I can't wait to try these on an actual golf course because I really do want to see what the difference between the actual golf shoe with cleats and then your Jordan 1 Low that is spiked but doesn't have the actual cleat on the bottom. This shoe is definitely comfortable. I could probably see myself, if I was to go out golfing, I think I would probably wear this shoe more than I would wear the Jordan 1, but I'm not sure. I would actually really have to get out there, but this shoe just feels really sturdy. And the support around the toes and even like around the ankle, underneath the ankle, the support, even though I didn't even have it laced all the way up, the support and the sturdiness of this shoe makes me think that this would be a better golfing shoe. You guys get down in the comments. I'm not even a golfer. One day we'll be taking these shoes out to the course though. Golfers, get in the comments. Let me know what's the difference between spikes and just regular. What's the difference between cleats and spikes? You know what I mean? What do you guys prefer as golfers? Do you prefer cleats like you see right here, or do you prefer spikes? So get down in the comments. I appreciate you guys. It's your boy Bert Collins, man. I've already tapped in. This is my second video for the day, and it's my final video for the day. So, man, enjoy your day. Spend time with loved ones. If you're out working, enjoy your day. Eat something good, you guys. It's your boy Bert Collins. I've already tapped in. Thank you to all the new subscribers for subscribing. Now I'm tapping out, you guys. Peace.